In this lesson, we're going to talk about setting variables in Matlab. Okay, in this first example, we have a is equal to 2 plus 3. We use a semicolon, and that makes it so it only reports the value in the workspace. If we don't use a semicolon, we get the value actually copied to the screen. Then we can set a variable b. b is equal to 4 times 7 plus 2. We don't use a semicolon, and it's reported, and it shows up in the workspace also. Now, if we use a parentheses, you can see that we'll get a different answer because it actually does the 7 plus 2 first. Now we can set a variable c. We can use parentheses again and multiplication, and then we get a value. And we can reset the variable c and get a different answer. If we use parentheses, we get one answer. If we don't use parentheses, we get a different answer, obviously. Now, an interesting thing is that you can set c equal to c, the value itself, squared, and then you get a very large value. So it took that value of c and reassigned it. Now we set the value d is equal to a minus b, which was negative 31. And then we can use a negation sign in front of the a to negate a and then add it to b, and we get plus 31. Here we can use the negation sign in front of a parenthetical value, and we can get d is equal to minus a minus b, which is the inverse of what we had typed above, and so we get a plus 31 instead of a minus 31. And then we can do the same thing with b minus a, and we can get minus 31. Now we can set d equal to a to the power of minus 1, and we get 0.2. And then we can leave off the parentheses also, and Matlab is smart enough that it knows that you wanted a negated a first, and then it uses the power. The same thing is true with the a and the b addition. Here's a quick summary of what we have learned today.